Hello viewers, my name is Deepti Mukherjee and today I am going to show you how you create any scratch project or a game or anything in scratch in online, totally free, and you need not download any software. You can do all things in online. For this you have to type scratch.mit.edu and then in Google Chrome, and then this page will open and you can see about Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is the world's largest coding community for children and a coding language with a simple visual interface that allows young people to create digital stories, games, and animations. Scratch is designed, developed, and moderated by the Scratch Foundations, a non-profit organization. And you can see the some projects in Scratch. Here I just play this button and then you can see this type of animation and project you can try. Here is some samples, and if you want to create some project, then you start creating, and before that you should join Scratch and then sign in, and then you can start this project. And without sign in or join Scratch, you can just watch some features, and after that you can learn and do something after join Scratch and sign in. Just I am showing you that how we change the background of Scratch. Now create. We can click on create here or start creating. So create. Here is creating project, and here some demo, and here is the sprite one, and this is a cat, and we can change the background from here. At the bottom of the screen there is a background, change background, and we can change here background like any type of background which we want. We can change any type of background. And then we can start our project like fantasy or sports, any type of. Now I can choose this one here, and we can also change this sprite into another sprite from here. Choose sprite, and we can change like we want to change this one, and then we can delete this cat. Here we can delete, and then we can create some motions like here move 10 steps, turn 15 degree, turn no that is not need. Okay, turn 15 degree. Okay, and give another thing. Go to random position. That means here and there it can move. Okay, and now I click on this, and now you can see what happened. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.